Yeah.
get the real head.
Or like the elephant could grab the phone and take a selfie.
I
can just imagine
That's a
those
bit
people
close to have a female.
sorting that car.
Who's starting up now? Eggerator.
No, you can't start the vehicle now. If that does, you just got to sit it out.
Be quiet.
You just got to sit it out.
Not even cameras going.
And hope that it doesn't change the shape of your vehicle. You just gonna sit it out at that distance.
Oh, there's another one.
At the back.
That's a big boy at the back there.
Can elephants sweat?
No.
Have they got sweat glands?
No.
No. They have got hairs on their bodies, but it's very spread out. Okay. So in the heat of the day, they can't sweat like we can. So what do?
They
Mud bath, have a bit of a swim sometimes. If you go to the Chobe, like in Botswana, you actually see them crossing the Chobe River quite often. End up swimming over very wide rivers, the Zambezi as well. Find them swimming to cool themselves down.
And babies love water.
Oh, I love it.